Welcome, class. This is Dr. Rosie. So, here we are. We are in our EAP 1586C, and this is our first audio dictation recording that I'm making for you. And what I've chosen to do is use the nursery rhyme, This Little Piggy. Now, for those of you who perhaps did not grow up in the United States, you may not have heard this particular nursery rhyme. Nursery rhymes are used for children to help them learn to speak, obviously, to count, to rhyme, because rhyming does help in speech patterns and to be able to put sentences together. So it's a great opportunity for us who are trying to grasp the language to use these. Now, this particular assignment is going to have two purposes. One, I want you to practice taking dictation. And number two, I want to make sure that you know how to upload an assignment. So this will be a test in a few ways. So here we go. Here's the trick. Sit down, find a comfortable place, find a pen, pencil, crayon, something you're comfortable with writing with. Find a piece of paper, maybe a pad or something to that effect. And I want you to get ready to listen. And as you listen, I will read it once at normal speed, and then I will read it a second time a little slower. And the idea is that you should write down exactly what you hear. Okay? Here we go. This Little Piggy. That's the title. So you actually should put that at the top, centered. Okay, This Little Piggy. And here we go. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. This little piggy went wee, wee, wee all the way home! Exclamation point. Okay, I'm going to read it again, just a little bit slower. This little piggy went to market, comma. This little piggy stayed home, comma. This little piggy had roast beef, comma. This little piggy had none, period. This little piggy went wee, wee, wee all the way home! Exclamation point. I hope you enjoyed that. By the way, when we do use this sometimes with babies as well as toddlers perhaps, and we actually count this off on their toes. So each toe, we hold the big toe, and that's the one that went to market. The next toe stayed home. The one after that had roast beef. The one after that had none. And the little pinky, when we say the words, went all the way home, we tickle the foot as well. So now you know something about crazy American people and what they do to their babies. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll do this again probably about midterm. Have a great day and follow the instructions as to how to submit. Bye-bye for now.